Artificial intelligence and massive cloud systems are expanding at an incredible rate. But this rapid adoption is colliding directly with increasingly fractured, guarded national borders. The resulting digital environment is incredibly volatile. A modern technology platform relies on hardware, software, and data centers scattered across the planet. That makes the entire system too complex for any single corporation or even a single superpower to secure on its own. Governments and billions of users are reacting to this vulnerability by demanding one specific thing: trust. They want guarantees that their data is safe, no matter where a server physically sits. Right now, trust is the scarcest and most valuable asset in the digital economy. Facing a collapse in user confidence, 15 fierce competitors realized they could no longer afford to operate in silos. They had to abandon their isolated defense strategies to ensure the survival of the global network. The solution to this crisis took shape recently at the Munich Security Conference in Germany. This is an annual global forum where heads of state and security experts meet to negotiate major international threats. Here, 15 major technology companies spanning 10 countries across North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa officially launched the Trusted Tech Alliance, or TTA. We are talking about heavyweights like Microsoft, Amazon, Google Cloud, and SAP. These are organizations that typically fight aggressively for market share. But under this new pact, they have agreed to share a common mandate for digital safety and transparency. Instead of building 15 separate corporate firewalls, these companies are constructing a unified global immune system to protect the internet's critical infrastructure. This diagram shows the complete technology stack, from foundational hardware and silicon chips at the bottom, through cloud servers, to advanced AI models at the top. The Alliance evaluates this technology based purely on shared, verifiable standards, completely ignoring the supplier's country of origin. And this extends far beyond Silicon Valley or European tech hubs. With members like Casala Technologies and Geo Platforms, the standard explicitly addresses the rapidly growing digital infrastructure needs across Africa and Asia. The Alliance enforces this by requiring members to open up their systems. They must strictly adhere to independent assessments, proving they meet shared commitments for data protection and transparency. By stripping away national bias and focusing solely on hard data, the TTA is drawing a hard line. They are establishing a universal baseline that all future technology will have to meet if it wants to be plugged into the global network. This framework illustrates the blueprint's 5 pillars. First, transparent governance and secure independent assessment. Next, resilient supply chains and open ecosystems, ensuring network survival if a node goes offline. Finally, the 5th pillar mandates strict legal compliance and advanced data protection to guard privacy. These 5 metrics are no longer optional corporate talking points. They act as the mandatory entry ticket for any business hoping to participate in the global tech supply chain. So, where does this leave a massive, rapidly developing digital economy like Indonesia? Historically, Indonesia has played a very specific role, a highly profitable consumer market for foreign hardware and software. We import the technology and we use it. But as the TTA aggressively sets these rigid global standards, that passive strategy carries an immediate business risk. If local data centers and software developers fail to meet these specific benchmarks, Indonesian businesses will be locked out of the global value chain. Drafting local data regulations inside our own borders is no longer sufficient to protect the industry. To survive the current wave of artificial intelligence integration, Indonesian technology must achieve seamless interoperability with the rest of the world. Indonesian tech corporations and local startups have to execute a hard pivot. They need to urgently adopt the TTA's exact principles of transparent governance and supply chain resilience into their own daily operations. Integrating these global standards is the proven method to upgrade Indonesia's status. It shifts the country from being a passive consumer audience into an active, competitive player in global cloud and AI innovation. The window to act is narrow. Local developers must build strategic, verifiable partnerships with the global ecosystem right now, before these new international trust barriers solidify permanently and block them out. In this era of digital diplomacy, trust is the ultimate currency. Indonesia faces a clear choice: collaborate to meet these rigorous global standards, or find itself completely isolated from the future of the digital economy.